Hi all, quick video number 2. So yeah, the Byrne door bar is in. So yep, all seems good. I've obviously adjusted it on here. I haven't gone super tight. I've done a couple of splines. Obviously there's a load more I could do. What I've done is, this is as unknown. This is a used one. I mean, same as the other side. I need to get both door struts. I'm guessing this one here is probably in a similar situation to that one. You know, the fact this door is here is adjusted a little bit tighter than that one there. But I know that that one there with a good piston on does actually lift up. So that piston's definitely knackered. This piston here is probably quite worn. So yeah, but this door now closes, which is good. And then it doesn't lift the foot too far. Just sort of, that's as far as it goes on there. And obviously you can give it quite a light push to get it open. So I'm thinking it's probably down to this, but again I can adjust it more if necessary. So what I'll do is I'll just order a new pair of those struts, put them in. That'll definitely sort out that door, and obviously if it sorts out this door, great. If it doesn't, then I'll adjust it up a bit tighter on there. That'll do for now. I don't want to sort of start tightening things up if it is just down to this. So yeah, I'll get a new pair. But at least the door is now actually open, which is good. And I say the spring definitely lifts it up to about sort of here somewhere. Okay, cool. Let's go for that then for now, and then I can reassemble it all back together again once these are in case I need to torque that up a bit, another spline or two. Excellent. So that's the Byrne door. So we're going to see how long this lasts. But I mean, it looks like it's well manufactured. Quality looks good. But yeah, who are we to tell? Excellent.